No, I don't need your help.
Let me.
I'm doing this on my own.
Please let me.
No, you're going to mess it up.
Let me.
Because you're so young.
Let me.
You're going to mess it up. I
Let
know for
me.
a fact.
How am I?
Because you're so
Yes,
young.
you're this idiot.
I'm not.
When my brother was younger, he wanted to swim a marathon, all because he wanted a blue pizza badge. We all offered to help him, of course, but he refused because he wanted to do it all by himself. He was stubborn, but I loved that about him.
For God's sakes, I'm going to school.
Wait.
I was born in Wolverhampton, but put into care as a baby. Growing up in the care system, we didn't have access to things other children would possibly experience. You often get moved from house to house, so you have nowhere to call home. You had nobody to call mum or dad. You didn't necessarily have new clothes. You didn't have toys. You didn't have anything. You literally had a carrier bag with a few items of clothing.
My brother passed away 15 years ago. He was just walking down the street with his friends and he just collapsed. No symptoms. The condition is called sudden death syndrome. You can be a very fit person but suddenly have a cardiac arrest and collapse. It can happen to fit and healthy young people. My brother, he was a hockey player. He was very fit.
My biological father was Indian, and my biological mother was a blonde, blue-eyed English woman. I felt that there was nobody on our estate in Wolverhampton that looked like me. All the pupils at my school were white, so I felt I stood out like a sore thumb. My adoptive mum and dad used to introduce me to people and say,
I am good, thanks. And this is my daughter Carol, and this is my adopted daughter Susan.
That rhetoric made me feel different, so different.
Yeah, well, lovely to see you. Send the kids my love.
I will do,
Yeah,
right?
okay.
It's nice seeing
You too. Bye.
It's been really hard. My parents have really struggled. I came across your website and I want to do something. I want to help. I need something positive to come out of all of this.
After many years, I decided I wanted to meet my biological mother. I sat outside her house for a week just to catch sight of her. Eventually, I found the courage to knock on the door, and she answered.
Calm down. Open the door then. Honestly, we're going to be late for school. Yes?
Do you know who I am?
I know who you are, I just don't know which one you are.
Hello there.
Hello. What is your name?
Jorgen Matthews,
Jorgen Matthews. Age?
13 years old.
13.
So I started to raise money for CRY, cardiac arrest in the young. The money we raise goes towards helping young people in Wolverhampton to get their hearts tested for free. And if one person gets their heart tested, then I believe it's worth it. We potentially saved 1,100 people from passing away because of this screening. I'll always remember this one story on the first testing event we'd set up. I'd spent 3 years raising the money.
I found something. I'm in time.
Despite the heartbreak, I feel like I've made a difference. No matter what, that kid will be with his family. I lost my brother, my parents lost their son, but I made a difference to other people's lives. Yes, we've tested 1,100 people, and we could probably test another 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, but whatever the number is, we know we've made a difference to at least one family.
So why am I telling you all of this? Because I'm setting up a foundation to help people like me who have been in care, fostered or adopted, to give them the same opportunities as everybody else. People who have been through care are constantly made to feel like they're not good enough. I'm making sure we are breaking down barriers for care experienced children, empowering them to overcome any challenges they may face.